Hello everyone. If you have recently passed your bachelor's or a master's in IT or IS in Australia, this video might be quite helpful to you in how to launch your career in IT or in IS. Look, I will share my own experience. 10, 12 years ago, I used to be a student like you. If you are a student, yeah, and I was also thinking the same way, that how I'm going to launch my experience, or how I'm going to launch my career in IT. Now I'm more, so I was little bit ahead in thinking, where I started thinking how I'm going to stand out among all other 40 students, or maybe 400 or 4,000 students who are also doing the degree at the moment. So I started working in the help desk in my own uni. That helped me immensely. That gave me a bit of an edge, that said, yes, I had an Australian experience. Look, I also had experience from India as well before coming to Australia, but that's separate. The kind of advice that I want to give to all those people who are about to finish, or who have finished the degree, to start working in some shape and form in your own domain, in your own industry. If you are still studying, you're lucky that you can start now. If you're finished, then you have less time on your hand. Guess what? You're going to need some sort of experience in order to be able to launch yourself in the market, because Australian market do prefer more of hands-on experience. Yeah. While you are looking at it, what are the options? It's easy to say, so you should do that, but now the question comes in, how should I do that? Yeah. There are quite a lot of freelancing websites available out there. Freelance, Elance, and Odesk. There are plenty of them. If you research it, you will be able to find plenty. All that matters is you do some sort of projects, regardless whether you have done the volunteer work, whether you have done the paid work, whether you've done the internship. Internship is not enough, I think, but still, at least there is something there. So start working with somebody, or if not, go and create a portfolio of projects for yourself. Go and help out people. If you do, especially information system people, that even if you do the website, it shows that you do understand the business, you do have the communication skills, you do have coding skills as well, you have problem solving skills in it. Yeah. Why I'm giving this advice and who I am, man, look, as I mentioned, that I was a student as well, and after speaking to a lot of people in my own community and the students as well, I thought now we are in position that we can guide or direct some people who are coming behind us. Yeah. And I said, why not? Let's do this. My name is Raj, and I do run a CRM consulting company in Melbourne. I don't have any vested interest in making this video. I just wanted to do some greater good. I do run a YouTube channel. This is the way I thought I will be able to help somebody who is looking to start from somewhere. We do post CRM tutorials time to time. So if you think that might be able to help you, there will be a link in the description where you can go and you can subscribe, and by end of this video you might have some tutorials, or you might have some videos that you can click on. The more important part is that you do develop your portfolio and go and work with somebody. Yeah. Even if you can't find anyone, just start working as a freelance. Yeah. It's not about how much money you're going to make initially. It's about what experience do you have, and by having that, you will be able to go to your potential employer and you say, look, this is something that I did. I researched it, I worked with it, you have something to show, not only the piece of paper, but also your experience on something that you have developed. Otherwise, what tends to happen with people from our region, especially South Asian countries, whether it is the Pakistan, whether it is the Bangladesh, whether it is the India, Sri Lanka, we all are in the same boat. Yeah. And we end up in doing our bachelor's and masters, and we get out, and the problem is we don't have enough hands-on experience. And then guess what? Half of us, that's a conservative figure I'm saying, half of us don't even get to launch our career. And I can say that today because, look, I have worked in my own field from last 10, 12 years. Maybe I was the lucky one, but it's not only about luck. This is something that you learn in uni, how you're going to manage your time, how you're going to manage your resources, how you're going to preempt things, and how you're going to start organizing yourself, how you're going to prepare yourself. And maybe it's not useful to you what I'm saying at the moment, because you might have already worked somewhere, you might already have an experience, and you're going to get picked up. So maybe then you can excuse me. But one thing I like to get from you guys is, let me know what do you think about this initiative that I'm taking. As I mentioned before, I don't have any vested interest in making these videos. I just want to do some greater good by the channel of one to many. I will keep producing these ones if I get enough positive response. Otherwise, why should I waste my time if it is this just a useless thing for people out there? So that's why I'm doing this. So you have your bit. You can let me know by commenting or liking, sharing, whatever you think, and do your bit. If you have any questions, I'm sure there are people out there who can guide you. And if you ask me question, I will try to answer most of you. Please don't do one thing. Don't say, I'll be happy to send my resume and hire me. Look, it's about the need basis, right? If we have a requirement, we'd be happy to publish the job and you can apply. If you like it, we did posted jobs on the social media in the past as well, and in future as well we're going to do it. If you like our page and if you hear from us there is a role that we're publishing, feel free to apply. Do not just please throw a resume on my side. Yeah, have a look on the requirements of the job, read it, and see what is it that we're requesting for. If you are fit, explain in the cover letter how you are a fit, and then it will work. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, and thank you for listening. Have a great day.